Hello students. Today I am going to continue explanation of chapter 3 interdepartmental and employee related correspondence. In my previous video I have explained you need for interdepartmental correspondence, meaning of notice, objectives of notice, meaning of circular, functions of the circular, characteristics of a circular, and difference between notice and circular. Today I am going to explain you model letters. Number 1. Show cause notice. Harshil Patel, an employee of the Shreyan Chemicals Limited, remained absent from duty for 3 consecutive days without taking permission of the officer. Draft a show cause notice on behalf of Shreyan Chemicals Limited. Here this letter is written on the letterhead of the company. On the top, name of the company is already written. On the right hand side, address and date, month and year of writing letter, and then on the left hand side, phone number and email address. Then on the left hand side, receiver's name and the name of the company. Then subject. Here the subject is seeking clarification for remaining absent from duty without taking permission. Then salutation on the left hand side and then body of the letter. You remained absent continuously for 3 days from, then date is mentioned, month and year is mentioned, 10th August 2017 to 12th August 2017. Without taking permission of the officer of your department. Kindly take note that if the cause of your absence is not shown within 7 days, your absence will be treated as violation of service rules and your salary from those days will be deducted for remaining absent from duty without taking permission. If this happens in future, it will be treated as violation of discipline and would result into a break of service and you shall have to lose the benefits of a permanent employee. Then on the right hand side, closure, yours faithfully, then name and designation and signature. Second, notice regarding voluntary resignation. Shri Jagdish Bhavsar desires voluntary retirement from his company. Draft a letter regarding resignation notice. Here on the right hand side, name and address of the sender, then mobile number, then date, month and year of writing letter, then on the left hand side, the designation of receiver and address of receiver. Then comes subject. Here the subject is to sanction application for voluntary retirement. Then salutation on the left hand side and then body of the letter. I have been performing my duty as a machine supervisor in your company for the last 10 years. I am highly satisfied for having spent important years of my career in your company. I want to take voluntary retirement due to my family and personal reasons. As per the condition of service, it is necessary to inform 3 months prior to voluntary retirement. I request you to relieve me from my 3 months from the date of this letter. I request you to issue an order to pay me the accumulated provident fund, gratuity and other benefits due towards me. Then on the left hand side, thank you. Then on the right hand side, closure, yours faithfully, name and signature. Third, circular regarding celebration of national festivals. Here the name of the organization is printed on the letterhead, Active Cooperative Bank Limited. Then on the right hand side, address of the bank, then date, month and year is to be written. Then on the left hand side phone number is printed. 2. Employees of all branches on the left hand side. Then comes subject. Here the subject is circular regarding celebration of national festivals. Then friends on the left hand side. According to the recommendation made by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, from the current year, every government and non-government institutions shall have to celebrate 15th August, Independence Day, and 26th January, Republic Day as national festivals with a view to strengthening patriotic feelings. It is informed to all employees to remain present as part of duty. Then on the right hand side closure, yours sincerely, then the name of the person who has written the circular, and then the designation of that person and signature. Then on the left hand side, copy to, this copy is sent to all branches of bank. 4th, circular recommending to begin campaign to save water and electricity, a national wealth. Here on the letterhead, Gujarat Higher Secondary Education Board is printed. Then on the right hand side, address is printed. Then date, month and year of writing a circular is written. Then on the left hand side, to principals and teachers of all schools. Then subject, here the subject is circular regarding saving of water and electricity. Then to face the probable scarcity of water and electricity in Gujarat, Gujarat government has sent circular number is mentioned to all government, non-governmental and semi-governmental organizations to take following steps to save water and electricity. Number 1. Avoid the use of air conditioners except where they are highly needed. Number 2. Switch off electricity from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. 3rd. Switch off lights and fans in all classrooms as soon as classes are over. 4th. Avoid wastage of water. Check all taps and get them repaired if required. 5th. Get cooperation from students in the campaign for preventing the wastage of national asset. Cooperation of all employee groups is recommended. The implementation of circular will be effective from the date of its receipt. Then on the right hand side, closure, yours faithfully, then name, then designation, then Gujarat Higher Secondary Education Board, Gandhinagar. Then on the left hand side, copy sent all higher secondary schools of Gujarat state. Thank you.